Good morning. And moving ahead with the chapter that is 8, comparing quantities. Right? In the previous video, we have seen about how to compare the quantity using ratios and proportion. Now we are going to compare using percentage. Another way to compare certain what we call quantities. Right? We are very familiar about the word percentage. Right? This percentage always deals with 100. Always deals with 100. For example, if I want to say that out of 60, we score 40 marks. Out of 60, we score 40 marks. Therefore, what we can say that out of 100, the percentage always deals with 100. So out of 100, we score how much? We score how much mark? So simply cross multiplication, right? Then say here total weightage increases, obviously marks will also increases. So 40 multiplied by 100, 40 multiplied by 100 divided by 60. So you can see this. Out of total marks, that is 60, we got 40. And that fraction, that ratio, that value is divided into. So out of 60, we score 40. Right? So this is the total value. Which one? 60. And this is the obtained value that we get upon total value. Or we can say it is a ratio, or we can say it is fraction, and that thing is to be multiplied with 100. Once we multiply with 100, we will get the percentage. समझ पड़ा છે કેવી રીતે percentage find out કરવાનું છે તે the ratio, the fraction, the value multiplied by 100. આ રીતે 100 multiply થાય છે ક્યારે? Whenever we obtain percentage, because it always deals with 100. percentage કોની સાથે deal કરશે? Obviously 100 સાથે. બરાબર? ક્લિયર થાય છે ત્યાં? તો here percentage is derived from the Latin word percentum, meaning per century. The century cricket માં બધાના આઈડિયા છે that century deals with 100, right? So percentage are the numerator of the fraction with denominator 100. હવે આ શાની વાત કરી છે? percentage remove કરવાની વાત કરી છે. That 1% can be written as numerator value divided by denominator as 100. દેખાય છે denominator 100, and that is equal to 0.01. So what is the value of 1%? 1% ની value શું છે? 1/100 or 0.01. સમજ પડે? percentage શું છે? એક વેલ્યુ છે જેમાં ન્યુમરેટર જે નંબર છે તે જ, પણ ડિનોમિનેટર શું આવી જાય છે? 100. એટલે મને શું મળી જાય? percentage ની value. સમજ પડે? Now to obtain percentage. Percentage can be obtained as ratio multiplied by 100, or sometimes there will be fraction, decimal fraction भी हसे, whatever जे हसे ते, that is also fraction multiplied by 100, or value, obtained value upon total value multiplied by 100. समझ पड़े? How to find percentage and how to remove percentage? First one, convert 3/4 to the percentage, right? So here percentage is equal to, which form of number is this?
Fraction.
So fraction multiplied by
100.
so that is equal to 3/4 multiplied by
100.
4 ones are 4, 25s are. So that will be 75. Now here we are finding percentage, so it will be 75%. એનો યુનિટ પાછળ લખતું જવું પડે. Symbols we have to write the symbol percentage. બરાબર? ક્લિયર થયું છે? ચાલો સેકન્ડ, convert 0.75 into percentage. How we can convert into percentage? So percentage is equal to, directly also you can write 0.75 multiplied by 100. This 0.75 can be written as 75 upon 100 multiplied by 100. 100 cancel, and which is equal to 75%. Are you getting? Are you getting? હવે રિવર્સ જવાબ તો મને શું આન્સર આવશે? 0.75 because I have to divide by 100 અને જમ્પ કરીશ એટલે શું આન્સર આવવાનું? 0.75. Are you getting how to solve percentage? Quick. In a class of 60 students, 3 students are absent. How many students are absent? 3. Find the percentage of absent students and percentage of present students. Right? We have to find both things. Percentage for absence as well as percentage for presence. While solving the sum, right, we concentrate with what we have to find important છે. Right? અહીંયા હું આ કરી લઉં ને, find percentage of present students, તો આપણે આને percentage કરી દઈએ, પણ આપણે એને કન્વર્ટ કરતા નથી એટલે આપણા માર્ક્સ ચાલ્યા જાય. શું શોધવાનું છે? what we have to find, that is very important. બરાબર? ચાલો. So in a class of 60 students, total students
60.
60. બરાબર? ચાલો. Absent students
3.
3. Therefore, what we can say about present students?
60 minus.
That is 60 minus 3. What is 60 minus 3?
57.
57. Now what we have to find? We have to find percentage. Now, percentage of absent students is equal to total students 60, absent students
3.
multiply by
100.
Cancel whatever you can.
0.
0, 0, cancel. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 5s are, which is equal to 5%. ચાલો, percentage ના કેટલા percentage થયા? 5%. Now, percentage of present students is equal to, now total students
60.
present
57.
multiply by
100.
0, 0, cancel, right? चलो, 2 3s are 2, 5s are 3, 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 2 remains 3, 9s are, and 19 5s are 95, right? 95. Percentage કોના સાથે ડીલ કરે? 95% plus 5% is equal to પ્રેઝન્ટ ના percentage એડ કરું, એબ્સન્ટ ના percentage એડ કરું તો મને ટોટલ percentage મળી જાય. આ બી શીખવાનું છે આગળ, પણ અહીં એક્ઝામ્પલ આવ્યો એટલે તમને સમજાવી દીધું. બરાબર, ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ માં પૂછાય હા કે આઉટ ઓફ 100% 95% are failure, how many are pass?
5%.
समझ पड़े? Are you getting how to solve that sum? Huh? Next example, convert 5/4 into percent. Convert 5/4 into percent. So how we can convert? So percentage is equal to fraction, that is 5/4 multiplied by
100.
4 ones are 425. So that will be 125%. બરાબર, ન્યુમરેટર વધી જશે ફ્રેક્શન નું, તમારો percentage હંમેશા ક્યાં જશે? હાઈ જશે. Are you getting that? Are you getting that? It is simple examples, right?